This video is sponsored by Neiwai. There is probably a line graph that could be drawn between like my sewing abilities and my appreciation for my boobs. In the beginning, I found anything form-fitting very intimidating, and that is why I started on loose-fitting items, something I still suggest to beginners to boost their own confidence. But through the years, if you've been watching, you've seen I've grown from looser silhouettes to fitted tops, all the way to even making my own bras, and now I'm in a new stage where complexity has increased. In addition to making clothes that should fit me, they should also allow this little one daily access to her food supply. With nursing, it's like creating hidden openings, private, discreet little drive-through windows just for babies. And to be clear, I actually believe it should be totally fine to breastfeed or pump whenever, wherever necessary, but I don't think I'm alone in feeling like that's just not the world I live in yet. So this is what you're getting. Starting with the one closest to me in the physical sense, bras. Okay, you only need two things to turn a regular bra into a nursing friendly bra. First up, some elastic. Make sure it's nice and soft because it's going to be resting against your skin all day. And nursing clips. I ordered these online. I'll put a link in the description. There are two parts to every nursing clip. I had a specific color I wish I could have ordered these in. It's not a perfect match, but it's gonna get the job done. And for the bra, I'm gonna be using this little number, one of my most comfortable bras, and also this video sponsor, Neiwai. This bra only comes in one size. It has a super soft, flexible fit that can suit band sizes 30 to 40 inches and cup sizes A to double D. Very few of us stick to one exact size all the time, and over the last year, my boobs have changed so much. It was one of the first signs that I even noticed that I was pregnant. And now with breastfeeding, if you didn't know, they literally change size constantly throughout the day as they fill up and empty with milk. In addition to making the shopping process so much easier because your size is the size, this fabric called CloudFit is super soft, moisture wicking. It's a wireless bra. The foam pads are removable. So I have extra appreciation for this bra just easily changing with me all day. On the rare occasion that I've worn it for days, it doesn't smell, almost feels like you're wearing nothing at all. The support is so gentle and light, so I could not pick a bra I love more to modify into a nursing bra. If you want to check out the Barely Zero bra for yourself, for a friend, for a loved one, because there's only one size available, check the link in the description and you can use the code Wendy to get 20% off your first order. I have it in two colors. This one's called Fluffy Peach, and I'll show you the other one later. Okay, we're doing it. I'm cutting the strap 1 centimeter away from the front of the bra. Thank you, Neiwai, for being okay with me modifying their bra. The special bra clip is made of two parts. I'm gonna call this one the hook and this one the loop. Loop side slides into that little bit of strap that we cut. Fold it down, sew it in place with a straight stitch. Now for the free hanging back straps. Taking the hook side of the bra clip with this little button in the front, arch pointing upwards. We're just gonna slide in from the front, fold over, and sew this shut. Ooh. Okay, so now we can open the front of the bra very easily, but we actually can't close it easily until we add that elastic bit that I mentioned. I managed to go to the fabric store for the first time in a really long time, and I brought the foam inserts of the bra just so I had a reference point for the colors. And with this, I'm gonna cut a piece that can reach from the clip to the bottom edge of the bra, maybe with a little bit of extra give, and then sew that in place. The elastic is attached to the bottom of the hook clip up here, and then sewn down here ever so close to the edge. Repeat on both sides, and this is what makes it a nursing bra. To demonstrate, unclip in the front, access, and then this elastic prevents this strap from just flying away into the back, holds the hook side right here so that ideally you can even close it up with one hand. Julia helped me convert my other Neiwai Barely Zero bra, so now my two most comfortable bras are also nursing friendly. Okay, on to the next layer. nursing tops or dresses. What a creative world of how to subtly create access points in a garment. I've seen clothes that have flaps. Any shirt that buttons in the front can be used for nursing. And then there's also ones with invisible zippers. All that to say, I have a very quick demonstration for you. It involves a turtleneck sweater that many of you have seen on my channel for a long time. Way before having Marla, I already really wanted to put an invisible zipper into this turtleneck. This turtleneck is such a hazard for makeup. Most of the time in a sewing transformation, you want a really big before and after difference so it feels super rewarding and a big payoff, and this is one of the ones where I want you to virtually not be able to tell that I added a zipper. Here's the collar and the two shoulders, and it's been opened up. So now let's attach the zipper. One side done, other side done. And I even got the zipper tucked away in a really nice lining style. I'm so bad at demonstrating how to do this because I truly just learned how to do it, I think, this year or last year. So I'll put a link in the description if you want to work on mastering your invisible zipper plus lining technique. All that's left to do is to close off the bottom of the zipper and then pray that all of the designs and stitches all line up on the left and right side. Oh, man, I'm really happy with the finished outcome. Okay, we gotta go try it on. Oh, I'm so happy about this. I can still flip it down. The zipper's pretty subtle. When it comes time to nurse, I can just open it up and then I can easily take a peek at how Marla's doing. But after the nursing days are over, can still enjoy this easy in and out turtleneck.
Stupid. Okay, let's
Moving on to the outermost layer. This one is supposed to cover everything, like when you've just forgotten to make proper preparations. This is the one. This is something I've genuinely been wanting to make for myself for like at least 2 months now. It's a pretty standard nursing cover. There's a stiff semicircle that provides a private little window of visibility. The neck strap is adjustable. This is not even a very expensive item to purchase. It's just, I don't want any more pieces of fabric lying around my house. I think, and I hope other parents out there can understand and relate. Having a baby somehow just means fabric of every size and shape enters your home. Washcloths, burping cloths, diaper cloths, swaddling cloths, cloth. I also have an idea to make a version of this that is super compact, like it could fit inside a little kind of like hockey puck size thing. So I've been prototyping. That doesn't happen often. Often when you see me make something, it's the first time I'm making it. Enter the prototype. Okay, I'm gonna set up my prototype and we're gonna see how long this takes. Okay, so this is my prototype. A spare swaddling cloth, which I feel like I have so many of. 2 thick zip ties held together by clips. I think it's time for me to make a proper one. Instead of the zip ties, which are a bit too stiff and thick, which makes them heavy, I've finally gotten to the store and picked up some Rigoline, which is a very common plastic material used for boning. As you can see, Rigoline is very lightweight. That does mean that it could deform easily, so you should store it with care, but I like how this actually has a chance of staying upright. 1 meter of Rigoline and 1 meter of Velcro, same color, same width, but only the hook side of the Velcro. I'm gonna cut the Velcro and the Rigoline in half. I'm gonna glue the Velcro to the Rigoline so that when the Rigoline is lined up, the Velcro is between these two C's. Okay, I did have the E6000 out, but now that Marla's here, I'm reminded maybe it's better for me to use a non-toxic glue. So, power glue it is. Bless you. Can you sew through Rigoline? You can sew through Rigoline. Well, that really settles it. The least toxic option. No glue at all. Let's go. Ooh. This is definitely not recommended in the sewing instruction manual. I have the perfect thing in mind for the next strap. Suspenders. Primarily, I'm interested in the clips at the end and that they are already attached to a length adjustable strap. Okay, and I will finish with sewing this ring onto this raw edge that I just cut. Alright, so taking my two little C-shaped Raylene Velcro tools, I've attached it to a spare muslin cloth. I have so many of these. The concave C went on the wrong side of the blankie. The convex C went on the right side of the blankie, and the reason for that is so that when you flip it from the outside, it looks extra clean, and then the suspender clips just join over here on the two sides. As you may be able to hear, it's almost time to feed Marla. Okay. I think many moms do this, but I use an app to keep track of how often I feed her and how long she feeds and which boob I last fed her on. That way I don't have to store that information in my head. Success. I can see her. I don't need my hands. I can chill out. This is great. Let go, please. Last weekend I went to a cottage with a few friends and I was able to hang out with them with no FOMO, feeding Marla at the same time with nursing cover and my Snappy Easy Transform nursing bra. I think I did also, yeah, pack the sweater that I added the zipper to, so feeling more and more equipped all the time. If you guys have any great nursing hacks of your own or things you've heard of that you want to share or talk about, put them in the comments. The next video I'm working on is going to be a good old classic thrift flip, so I'll see you guys in that one. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Sakwa. Okay, take care, you guys.